Modern industrial devices need to communicate in many different ways. Firstly, they need to communicate with other machines or operational technology on the factory floor. But industrial devices may also need to communicate with information technology to report what they're doing, or be remotely monitored via a cloud solution. Industrial devices operate in a far more complex environment than regular consumer devices. For example, they need to exchange many different types of data. Cyclic process data has to do with the operation of the device or machine, moving a robot arm or adjusting the speed of a conveyor belt. It's exchanged in a very fast manner, down to milliseconds. A cyclic parameter data is exchanged when it's needed. For example, the controller on the network might need to acquire information or maybe set a value in the device. Diagnostics data informs the network controller about conditions or current levels. This data can often be monitored via a cloud solution to give owners an idea of what's going on with the machines. To complicate things further, industrial devices need to communicate on several different networks, depending on where they're located in the world or which industry they're in. And as if this wasn't enough, modern devices are also expected to support IT functionality like FTP, web servers, or email clients. They may also need to be compatible with IoT protocols like OPC UA and MQTT, and sometimes with safety protocols like SIP Safety or ProfiSafe. A growing concern as more and more devices are being connected is security. A security breach on an industrial device can be life-threatening, and therefore it's vital to have a solid and trusted communication solution. The good news is that there are ready-made communication solutions that cater for all this complexity. Industrial Information and Communication Technology from HMS Networks takes care of communication, so you can focus on developing your devices.